How to fix Roblox error code 279 failed to connect to the game. For this first step, you need to restart your device, close Roblox completely, open up Task Manager, search for Roblox. If it's running in background means you need to end the task. After restart your device, then come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Roblox. It should enable in both private and public. If the application not having means you need to click allow another app, click browse. For easy method, come outside, right click open file location of the Roblox, copy the address, go back, click browse and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Once you getting after, click it and add it. Click add. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and enable both private and public. Click OK. And come to next step, search for command prompt, right click run as administrative and type the following text: ipconfig space slash plus DNS. And the next command ipconfig space slash release. Click enter. And the next command ipconfig space slash renew. And the next command netsh winsock reset. And the next command netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. At last exit it. And come to next step, search for run and type the following text: ncpa.cpl. Click OK. And network settings will appear. In this you need to right click and disable it. If you are using Wi-Fi, go with Wi-Fi, right click and disable it, and 5 to 10 seconds after again enable it. Close it and come to next step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset your network. Click yes and reset your network. Once complete, after the last and final step, search for run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it. Click local storage folder. Delete the files inside the local storage. Come back. Click log folder. Delete the files and folders inside the log folder. And click download folder. Delete the folder inside the download folder. After, close it and restart your device. Thank you.